10 years old. This is my first YouTube video. I always wanted to have a YouTube channel. And here it is. Here it is. 5 days ago, I ordered clothes from Asos. Today, my order came and I want to open it with you guys. I am so excited to open it. Let's get started. Here it is. Let's see what's inside. Oh my god. It's so cute. Oh my. Oh, it's so cute. Look. Look at it. I love it so much. Okay, let's open the next. What's this? It's so cute. This is the shoes. It is. Oh my god! Look at it! I love it so much. I've been waiting for this so long. I'm so excited to try this on. My favorite colors. The other one. This is the bag. I've been waiting for it so long. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna carry this everywhere. This is amazing. Look at it, so cute. This right here is amazing. Just the best. Okay, let's move on. This. Look at it, it has a little star on the back. Star on the back. It's so cute. I love it. Okay. What's this? It's lovely. It's the pants. Oh my god. love it so much. Look, it has little pockets. I'm so excited. This is the best day of my life. Look, it's my choker. Let's open it. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Goodness, I love it. I'm never taking this off when I put it on. Never. This is the purple one. Oh my god. Look, it's the sun. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Ooh, look at this. It's hats. Look. I'm so happy right now. This is the back side. This is the last one here. This is the solution. It's so cute. I love it. Guys, now I'm gonna put these clothes on. Let's see how it looks. Look at it, it's so cute. It fits very well. Look, this is the back side, the side, the front. I love it so much. Look, it's so cute. Oh my god, I love this look. Look, these shoes, I love them so much. This brand is Collusion. I'm gonna put my MacBook in my Powerpuff Girls bag. As you can see here, it's very cool. I love it. Look. Did you see my choker? It's so cute, right? Okay guys, I will try to make more videos often. If you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you later. Bye guys!